Welcome to Zenelco Tricks. In this video, we're diving into 4 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're a student, a full-time worker, or just looking for a side hustle, these tips will help you start earning from the comfort of your home. 1. Freelancing. First up, freelancing. If you've got skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or even voiceover talent, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are perfect for you. Create a strong profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding for projects. Here's a tip. Focus on building good reviews by over-delivering to your first clients. This will help you stand out in a competitive market. 2. Selling digital products. Number 2, sell digital products. Create something once and sell it over and over. This could be an ebook, a template, or even an online course. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy make it easy to sell your creations. Focus on a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. For example, if you're good at budgeting, create a financial planner and sell it. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn. Promote products or services you love, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You can share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or even your social media. Just make sure the products align with your audience's interests. 4. Remote jobs. Did you know many companies now hire remote workers? You can apply for roles like customer service, virtual assistant, or social media manager. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely are great places to find remote jobs. Making money online takes effort, but with consistency and determination, anyone can succeed. Pick one of these 4 options and start today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your income.